So my Rebel basically goes in circle and cleans one part of the pool. It does not, it starts going, but then it turns and it starts going in a circle. This is usually the left side drive. That needs to be changed, and that's pretty easy, but I did look at some videos in YouTube and I couldn't find any videos that would show what kind of defect and what the Rebel would do if the left drive is worn off or worn out. So I did purchase one on Amazon yesterday. I did purchase the part, $20. I did purchase the left and the right drive just in case. And I will show you how we are going to replace now. Replace it. We're going to open it and I'm going to show you how to replace it step by step, and then we're going to see if that's going to fix the problem. All right, so we're going to open that and remove the lid. This is the packet that I received from Amazon, and this is the right and the left drive for this unit. I don't think it's original, but it doesn't matter because they fail every 1 or 2 years. So we'll see if that's gonna fix the problem. This is one of the drives, and this is the other one. They're connected right here. This is a T30. This is what you need to remove the wheels. And this is my second unit. It's Pentair. I'm not really a fan of Pentair, but I got the same one like my old one with different tires. It works pretty good, but this one is 2 years old, I believe. Okay. So, now, when you pull this out, there are 2 springs. I don't know if I have the sun in the right position, but I think you can still see. Okay, so now I'm going to be very careful removing that because I don't want to lose the springs. Well, I don't care about these springs, but I don't want them to fly in the pool. Okay, so this is the left drive unit, this piece. And this one comes out very easy. This one you just pull it out. This is the right drive. Okay, let's see. I guess I can replace those two. I don't know why, but that's okay. I'll put the new ones in. just little wheels that turn, but I'll use the new ones right here. Okay, now oh my god, this spring is like, what is going on with it? Okay. Alright, we're good to go. Let's close the wheels. I hope it doesn't go in circle again. I don't want to buy another one. I mean, they're not very cheap. Let's see. It's moving slow, so I have to fix the suction, but it's not going in circle like it was before.